Dude, those are my wheels.
That's them.
Holy sh**. So yeah, a really tough workout, not good. I'm not like how I used to be. So I'm turning 37 in a few weeks and my body's definitely falling apart. Well, speaking of falling apart, I was washing my R8 the other day and I noticed the paint was flaking and chipping on my wheels, which really ticked me off. Apparently the previous owner decided to paint the wheels and they didn't even do a good job of, I don't even think they prepped the wheels because it just chipped right off. So it's really hard to get all that old paint off, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna get my wheels powder coated. So today, we're gonna go pick up my new wheels, or newish wheels. Hey Nick, what's going on, bro?
What's going on, by the way?
Good, good, good.
Good to see you.
Okay, so that's my buddy Nick that owns a shop here, the Wheel Fix. They do amazing work. I'm gonna hand it over to him real quick so he can give you guys a download on what they do here.
So we provide a pretty wide range of wheel services here. Obviously Alex is here for some customization on a set of wheels that were gray, going to a gloss black. So we do powder coating, you know, OEM repairs, straightening, but you know, the focus today is primarily on some custom work that we're doing for Alex.
Yeah, so definitely if you need any wheel service, come check out the Wheel Fix in Waltham, Massachusetts. I'll leave information in the description below. But dude, I need to see my wheels. Let's go check it out. Dude, those are my wheels.
That's them.
Holy crap, bro. Holy sh**. That's the same wheels.
Same one.
Dude, these look so good. And the process was what?
So I mean, it obviously varies in terms of how much we need to do, you know, case by case. But our process does include stripping the wheel down to the bare metal, which was helpful with your wheels because they've been done, you know, a couple times where you sort of get that buildup. They're heavy. They flake off after a while if they're not done properly, and you go over the existing coating. So your wheels are put in a strip tank, so we can bring it down to the bare metal, strips a primer underneath, and then from there, you know, we give a good blast for an etch, repair any damage that may be on the wheel cosmetically, stuff like curb rash, and you know, make sure they're true on the rotation, straighten them if necessary before we do the coating.
Okay guys, so I gotta go take care of the invoice, but I can't wait to get these home. I'll see you guys back in the garage. So before I put these wheels on the car, the first thing I want to do is fully protect them. And the easiest way to do that, and probably the best way, is ceramic coat. And I got this product called Rim Q2 from Amazon. Got really good reviews and it's pretty easy to apply. So what I do is I completely clean the wheel and then I rub it down with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure there's no dirt, no waxes, no dust. And after it's fully dried, I'll use their applicator block with an applicator like microfiber, drizzle some on, and then just start wiping the wheels. After a few minutes, I'll come back with a microfiber towel, buff it all off, and after about 24 hours for it to cure, it's ready to be handled and installed back on the car. So I'm gonna be busy for the next hour. I got 4 wheels to do. Now that the wheels are installed, I went ahead and changed the ugly stock wheel caps with some nice gloss black ones, and I think they look great. Well, before I show you guys the new wheels, well, new wheels on the R8, I actually did a modification to my exhaust, which was free. So my R8, the exhaust has a valve system. So that means when I'm just driving in normal mode, it closes the valves, so the exhaust is actually really quiet. And then when I step on the gas and get in the higher RPMs, the valves actually open up and it sounds a lot more aggressive. Well, I've been searching on the forums, and apparently there's a way to keep the exhaust valves open all the time. And it's just a matter of finding the vacuum lines in the back and plugging them up. So while I had the rear wheels off, I went searching and I found the vacuum line. It's basically this rubber hose that's attached to this metal tube. So all I had to do was pull it off. And to plug it up, I found an old rivet that I used for the diffuser in one of my cars. I plugged the fat end into the rubber hose, and then I took the skinny end and stuck it into the metal tube for a really clean install. And after I did that for both sides, now the car sounds awesome, and there's no check engine lights, no issues with performance whatsoever. I think it's pretty cool for a free exhaust mod. Sounds pretty good, right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels. It started raining outside, so I had to put the R8 away. I love the way it turned out. Nick and his team at the Wheel Fix, you guys did an amazing job. I freaking love it. However, before I close out this video, I'm in a really good mood, so I want to give away, actually I want to do 2 giveaways. So here's how it's going to work. I'm going to have 1 giveaway for the Mercedes people and 1 giveaway for the Audi people. For the Mercedes guys, I'm going to give away my Trunk Emergency LED Lightbar. If you guys remembered, maybe 2 years back, I installed it on my Mercedes C250 and it came out awesome. So I'm giving that away. And it's pretty easy to install. You can install it on a CLA, on a C-Class, or even an E-Class. It doesn't matter, it's pretty much universal. For the Audi people, what I want to give away is a carbon fiber wallet, a Flexx Hat, and I want to give away some carbon fiber style seatbelt pads. I think those look actually pretty cool. So if you want to win the giveaways, information is going to be in the description below. But I don't even know where I put these things.